Stroke, heart attack, heart failure. Sounds ominous, right? These are just a few of the health risks associated with heart disease. Now, imagine navigating this culinary maze with the knowledge to make heart-healthy decisions. That's our journey today. Welcome to N2 Nutrition's Guide to Heart-Healthy Choices. Just a little flashback. Take the other evening, for instance. Dining out with friends, faced with the plethora of choices from creamy pasta to those cheese-loaded burgers. I gravitated towards a dish filled with vibrant greens and lean protein, not out of restriction, but out of a genuine love for foods that make me feel great. Now, let's tackle some myths head-on. Myth 1. Carbohydrates are the enemy. The truth? Not all carbs wear a black hat. Consider this. Instead of reaching for that white bread or sugary cereal in the morning, why not opt for oatmeal topped with fresh berries? Or swap out those white rice dishes for quinoa or brown rice. Making the switch from simple carbs like pastries and sodas to complex carbs such as whole grains, sweet potatoes, and legumes. The energy shift you'll experience is nothing short of transformative. Myth 2. All fats pack on pounds. Take it from someone who relishes the omega-3 rich salmon at family dinners. It's about the right fats. Myth 3. Shunning food groups is the golden ticket to health. But let's get real. The lure of fad diets is undeniable. But balance? That's the real secret sauce. So, what's the real story behind heart-healthy eating? It's all about embracing the complexity in carbohydrates. The variety that fuels us longer, steadier. And fats? It's not avoidance. It's choice. The creamy texture of avocados, the hearty crunch of nuts, the rich taste of salmon. They're not just treats. They're heart-healthy feasts. From mastering the art of portion control to making your plate a rainbow of veggies. From quenching thirst the right way to delving deep into nutrition labels. These aren't just tips. They're transformations. Because heart health, it's not just about being on a diet. It's a lifestyle. The revitalizing touch of sleep. The thrill of a morning sprint. The serenity of meditation. They all tie into the heart-healthy narrative. Each meal, each decision, contributes to a heart pulsing with robust health. As we journey, let's make each step count. Here's to the heart-healthy choices that mold our tales of health and joy. If this video piqued your curiosity, there's plenty more to discover. For a deeper dive, click on the link in the description below and explore our article titled Heart-Healthy Eating on the N2 Nutrition website. Remember, what you've seen today is just a glimpse of the wealth of information available at N2 Nutrition. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future content. Together, let's journey towards better health.